Hello kids, let's practice sight words. The. Let's read it 3 times. The. 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 Very good. The cat is on the bed. Great job. Now let's write it 3 times. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Try to find out the word the from the words. Very good. Great. There's another one. Excellent. Fantastic. And that's the last one. Great job, kids. You found out all the sight words. Now let's build a sentence using the sight word. Cat is on bed. Build the sentence using the. The cat is on the bed. Now let's draw it. The cat is on the bed. Did you draw the picture? Very good. The next sight word, of. Let's read it 3 times. Of. 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 Very good. I have a lot of toys. Great job. Now let's write it 3 times. O, F, of. O, F, of. O, F, of. Fantastic. Now try finding out the sight word in these set of words. Great! Well spotted. Fantastic. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, that's the last one. Great job finding out all the words, kids. Now let's build a sentence using the sight word of. I have a lot toys. I have a lot of toys. Very good. Now let's draw it. I have a lot of toys. Did you draw the picture? Fantastic. The next sight word is and. Let's read it 3 times. And. 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 I like cars and trucks. Fantastic. Now let's write it 3 times. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. Try finding and from the list of sight words. Great job, you found one. Fantastic. Very good, keep going. Yay! Excellent. And that's the last one. Very good. Great job, kids. You found it all. Now let's build a sentence with the sight word and. I like cars. Trucks. I like cars and trucks. Very good. Now let's draw it. I like cars and trucks. Draw a matching picture. Did you do it? Very good. The next sight word is you. Let's read it 3 times. You. 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 Can you see the box? Let's write it 3 times. Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. Let's find the sight word you. Very good. Let's find the next one. You found it. Great job. That's another one. Fantastic. Yay! That's the last one. Great job, kids. You found out all the sight words. Now let's build a sentence with you. Can see the box? Can you see the box? Very good. Now let's draw it. Can you see the box? Draw a picture related to the sentence. Did you do it? Fantastic. The next sight word is can. Let's read it 3 times. Can. 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 Great job. I can see the rainbow. Very good. Now let's write it 3 times. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. Now let's find can in the set of sight words. Do you see can? Very good. Now try finding another one. Did you find it? Awesome job. Keep going. Fantastic. Yes, very good. Excellent. That's the last one. Great job, kids. You found all the sight words. Now let's build a sentence with the sight word. I see the rainbow. I can see the rainbow. Great job. Now let's draw a picture. I can see the rainbow. Can you draw a picture of the rainbow? That's awesome.